So we start off today's video with someone who has shoulder length hair. Wow, beautiful all black pixie style. So much height and volume within this cut. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at a variety of hair transformations. Here we see a beautiful reddish colored pixie style. Again, a style that features a lot of height and volume. I like the choppy texture that this has in particular, and I think that the color really just elevates the look overall. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So next up we have the chic classic blunt bob haircut. This one ends just around the jawline. Beautifully done. And then we move and yet another beautiful bob. Gorgeous, simple, chic, and effortless. And then we once again have someone with shoulder length hair who decided to switch things up with yet another stunning pixie style. Then we see the transformation into this asymmetrical pixie look. Wow. Followed by another stunning pixie. Loving all these incredible long to short transformations, so inspiring. And then we see someone with long hair, about mid-back length or so, grown out color. And she decided to chop her hair into a bob. Absolutely stunning. Loving the way that the ombre looks. Such a gorgeous cut and color combination. And then we have another beautiful blunt blonde bob here. Very fashion forward and chic. It does feature some face framing color. And then we move on to the shoulder length bob style. Very nice. Another easy, effortless haircut transformation. Ideal for someone who wants to go simple and short. So here we have our last transformation, which is of this beautiful pixie bob haircut. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of the hairstyles featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.